Oh, hello, Darwin. I see you're looking into some fan content. Ha, don't fool me with this game. I know what you're doing. I am a bird. I see everything from my point of view. Ah, yes, a game commemorating to Jerry Larson, the one behind the CPU.
Is he looking for this? Is it losing?
Don't fool me with that name.
No.
I know what you're doing. I know what you did many minutes ago. I'm a bird. I know everything. And there's no way you can escape me.
I need some. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Go get it. Go. Get it. Go, get it.
This is some tomfoolery. What game is this supposed to be? Is this some kind of adventure or what? This looks like some poorly made game.
Oh. No. No. There was taxi. This is great.
Well, it needs more obstacles. I'm a bird. I give reviews.
No.
You don't give me orders. You're not the boss of me.
Too.
You're not the boss of me. I'm a bird. I don't take orders from anyone. Only but me. And Pesci.
No. I'm sorry.
You don't give me sorries. I'm the one that gives it, not you. Constant failure. A common trope of doofus. Poor doofus.
Poor doofus. Goodbye.
Yep, that's all for today. Don't listen to this guy, dudes. Remember, kids, don't listen to Doofus, because he's a fool. The end.